or Purusha, the indwelling spirit, is self-luminous. Not only it is self-luminous, it has its own light. It brings light to others. It gives light to others. A teacher is asking the student in Upanishadic narration, "My child, tell me, how do you say, with which light do you see in the day?" The answer is sunlight. At night, moonlight. If there is no moon, then in new moon, light of the stars. If it is a cloudy night, no star, no moon, can you see? He said, yes. With which light? You see, the teacher takes from gross to the subtle, and teacher doesn't answer. He tells the student to answer. How do you see? He says, yes, I can see. It is the light of the soul. Because he became more introvert. Think, light of the soul. The soul has light. Purushaha, the indwelling spirit, Purushasya pratyak atmanaha khyate prakasat Purusha khyate. When one finds that everything looks beautiful because of the soul, just to think, the example of Gurudev. If there is no soul in the body is dead. For that dead person, neither the world is beautiful, nor the family members beautiful, nor the house is beautiful, nor the car is beautiful, nothing is beautiful. The body is there. Even that body is not beautiful for the person who has left, because the soul has left. Same person having the soul in the body, the world is beautiful for what? Wife is beautiful for what? Because has soul. If the wife will have no soul in the body, the husband will not love the dead body anymore. Anything is attractive, it is because of the light of the soul. It is not that they are attractive, it is because of the soul is beautiful. It helps us to see the world beautiful. Ordinarily, people think the world is beautiful. A seeker is finding the soul is beautiful, God is beautiful. For a seeker, the world is not beautiful, God is beautiful. Because of God's beauty, His beauty is reflected everywhere. My wife is not beautiful, it is the soul is beautiful. Because of the soul in me, in wife, that's why I see the beauty. It is the real beauty is the soul.